So we can continue with the nursing management. Nursing management is mainly classified into acute, emergent or resuscitative phase, that is from the first 24 to 48 hours, and the management phase, that is completion of the adequate resuscitation through wound coverage. And the third one, rehabilitative phase, that begins when majority of the wounds have healed. These are the main three management areas. Initially, acute stage, we have to provide pain relieving and nutritional support should be provided, monitor the vital signs, urine output, fluid infusion, and lab data. How to consider all those things. How to prevent infection and further complications. Always reassure the patient. Psychological support should be provided. Then the two stages, that is management and rehabilitative phase. Prevention of the wound infection, skin care. We have to close the wound, manage the complications. Physical exercise programs are provided. Scar management is rehabilitative phase. Scar management can provide long-term application of continuous pressure and provide physiotherapy, massages like that. Okay, then moving on to the nursing management or the nursing process, possible nursing diagnosis, decreased cardiac output, fluid volume deficit related to loss of plasmodium, ineffective tissue perfusion, ineffective breathing pattern related to airway obstruction or edema, acute pain related to damaged nerve endings, impaired skin integrity related to burn wound, respiratory infection related to impaired skin integrity, imbalanced rotation related to increased metabolic demand, impaired physical mobility, impaired body image related to changes in the physical appearance. Then what are the complications? Main complications on system-wise, cardiovascular include cardiac arrhythmias due to electrical shock and a heart attack. And in respiratory, it involves airway obstruction, pulmonary edema and pneumonia. And in renal system, acute renal failure, musculoskeletal, it can cause contractures. And other involves, that is peptic ulcer, infection, hypertrophic scarring. What is hypertrophic scarring? This is a cutaneous condition which deposits the excessive amount of collagen. Okay, so leads to elevated scar. There is a tadippu pole in the scar pole mundi varum. That is the hypertrophic scarring. And Merjolin's ulcer. Merjolin's ulcer means a carcinoma. Ulcerating squamous cell carcinoma. That is previous trauma ഉള്ള ഒരു ഏരിയയിൽ ഒരു ulcerating squamous cell carcinoma develop ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് Merjolin's ulcer. And Collins ulcer. We already discussed about Collins ulcer. Okay. These are the major complications affecting system. Then so that's all the major complications: cardiovascular, respiratory, renal, musculoskeletal and others. Then how to care of burns. Care of burns, breathing, body image. BURNS, burns, breathing. P for breathing and body image. U, urine output. R, rule of 9, resuscitation of the fluid. N, nutrition. S, shock and silver sulfur dioxide. This is just a short note to remember in your brain, burns. Okay, so that's all regarding burns. It was a vast topic. We discussed about what is the definition of burns, what are the causes of burns, and what else? What are the pathophysiology, clinical manifestation,